Meaning of insulated.
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 Insulated. The term insulated generally refers to the act of protecting something or someone from the effects of a particular phenomenon. Typically, this involves providing a barrier or layer of material that prevents heat, cold, sound, or electricity from passing through. For example, when we insulate a home, we add material like fiberglass or foam to the walls and roof to keep the interior temperature stable, minimize energy loss, and reduce noise pollution. Similarly, when we wear insulated clothing, we use materials like down or synthetic fiber to trap body heat and keep us warm in cold weather.